Windows 7 Unit B is understanding file management. Now, file management is very, very important. You can see my file management basically by what is here on my desktop that you see. I've got stuff that I use very often, every day, all day down here. I have things organized to where it suits me. Now, every teacher's desktop is not going to look like this, so your file management might be a little bit different than other people's around you. But file management is important so that you can find your files easy and stay organized. Now, this unit talks about folders and subfolders. Subfolders are basically folders within folders. You're going to learn how to create folders, name folders, open and edit, saving files, copying files, renaming files, moving files, searching for files, and stuff like that. You're going to need to know some basic terms for this unit, and the address bar is one that's important. That's one that we will use throughout the school year. You need to know where the address bar is. You need to know how to search for things. And let's go ahead and start this unit by, we're going to click on the Start button. And we're going to point to All Programs. And then we click Accessories. And then we're going to go to WordPad. Okay, we're going to type meeting notes October 11 and press enter. And then we're going to type the 2013 tour will visit Australia, Micronesia, New Zealand, and then type your name. Alright, now we're going to click the WordPad button. I'm going to make this screen bigger so y'all can see it better. We're going to click the WordPad button, and we're going to go to Save. The book tells us to plug in a USB. We're not going to do the USB part. If we plugged in a USB, we would have another option for saving. The different saving options are listed here. You can save it on your desktop. You can save it in My Documents. It's very helpful, I think, for most of my BIM students to have a folder either on their desktop or in their documents, and a folder that's named BIM. So everything that we do in BIM, you have it saved right there for you. So we're going to look for a specific place to save this document. Let's go ahead and create a folder on your desktop, and let's right click in here. We're going to go New, Folder, and you're going to type BIM. And then I'm going to click Open. Really slow. Alright, now in the file name of the document, we're going to type Oceania. Whoops. Oceania meeting. Always notice the file type, what kind of file you're saving it as. This will be important to us throughout the year. So now I'm going to click Save. Notice where the file is being saved, what's the name of the file, and the type of file that you're saving. I'm going to go ahead and click Save now. And then we're going to close the WordPad window. Okay, just a note about the Windows 7 library. This is a new feature that we haven't really used before. Basically, the navigation pane contains not only your files and folders, but also libraries. So libraries is obviously a bigger place for further organization. A library gathers files and folders from different locations on your computer and displays them in one location. For example, you might have pictures in several different folders on your storage devices. You can add these folder locations to your pictures library, and then when you want to see all your pictures, you open your pictures library instead of several different folders, having to search through those. The picture files stay in their original locations, but their names appear in the pictures library. A library is not only a folder that stores files, but rather a way of viewing similar types of documents that you may have stored in multiple locations. So that's a little FYI about your library. If you want to see more about the library, you can look on page 29. Okay, so now we're going to click on the Start button, and we're going to go to Computer. And here we have a list of different locations we can save things. On your profile, you can really only save documents in My Documents on your files over here. You can retrieve documents, you can open documents from other locations as well. Notice in your address bar up here you have Computer. This is also another way to navigate through different locations. Notice that you can click on each of these and view the items on your desktop. You can view recent places. You can view your documents, and also My Computer. All right, in the navigation pane under Libraries, we're going to click Pictures, and I probably have a whole lot more pictures than what you do. That's okay. Then in the file list, we're going to double click Sample Pictures folder. So here's our sample pictures. Everyone should have that one. In the toolbar, we're going to click More Options list arrow next to the Change Your View. So there's several different views that you can view your pictures in, and you can change your size, make them bigger, make them smaller. I like mine to be pretty big so I can see what it is, but not too big, so that more fit on one screen and I don't have to scroll. We can change the view by clicking over here. Let's see, we went through that. Okay, on our view, we can also view it by list. We can view by tiles, by content. I like to keep mine right about here. Okay, now we can go ahead and close this box. We're going to go back to Start, and we're going to go to All Programs. We're going to click on Accessories and WordPad. And up here, we're going to click Open. And we're going to go and find the Oceana meeting that we just created. I'll put it on my desktop. BIM 2013, there it is. There we go. Okay, before I do that, I'm going to cancel this because I want to show you something. I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to go to Open, and notice my recent documents. Sometimes you're going to have stuff in your recent documents, and sometimes you're not. But like right now, that would have been so much easier for me to open Oceana meeting from the recent documents than it would be to go hunt that folder. So I'm going to open it up right quick. And we're going to click to the right of the D in New Zealand, and we're going to press Enter, and then we're going to type Evelyn Swayze closed the meeting. Okay, now up here we're going to click Save, and then we're going to exit. All right, copying files. We're going to go to Start, and we're going to click Computer, and we're going to navigate to our BIM folder. Even though I know that I can go to it right here, I'm going to show you how to navigate. You can go on your desktop, BIM 2013, Oceana Meeting, there it is. Okay, so you need to make sure you know how to navigate through your folders over here, through your different files and locations. So I'm going to right click right here and go New Folder, and we're going to call it Meeting Notes, and I just hit Enter. Now we're going to click Oceana Meeting Document. We're going to go to Organize, Copy, and then we're going to double click Meeting Notes so it opens that folder. We're going to click Organize, Paste. Okay, for some reason I copied a folder instead of a document, so let me try that again. I'm going to make sure that I copy Oceana Oceana Meeting Document, and then I'm going to paste. There we go. So now I've got Oceana Meeting in the Meeting Notes folder and just in the BIM 2013 folder. Okay, next section is moving and renaming files. You should be able to move and rename all of your files. We're going to click on the Oceana Meeting file, and we're going to go to Organize and Cut. In the navigation pane under Libraries, we're going to click Documents, and we're going to go to Organize and Paste. With that file still selected, we're going to click the Organize button and then Rename. And we're going to click right after the G, and we're going to hit Spacebar and type Notes. And then we can either hit Enter or just click off of it and it will enter your changes. Okay, the next section is about searching for files and folders, and I've already shown you how to do that. When you type anything in this search bar here, it will search for everything through your entire computer, all your libraries and folders and everything. So what we want to do is we're going to move on to deleting and restoring files. So I'm going to click on My Documents, and let's go ahead and open our Oceana Meeting Notes. I know it's in here. And here it is. We're going to go to Organize, Delete. Yes, I'm sure I want to delete it. And then we're going to go over here and look in the recycle bin. There it is. Okay, so we're going to click on it, select Restore this item. So it went back into our folder. Now we're going to click Oceana Meeting Notes. We're going to press Delete on our keyboard. Try that again. Delete. Yes, I'm sure I want to delete. And I'm going to go to the recycle bin again. There it is. I'm going to click on it. And this time I'm going to click Empty the recycle bin. Yes, I'm sure. And my recycle bin is empty. Everything's gone. So I no longer have Oceana Meeting Notes. Okay, that wraps up the steps in Windows 7 Unit B.
That's all, folks.